Welcome to Nexabyte, where we transcend the ordinary and venture into the realm of extraordinary luxury. Today, we're looking at cars so exclusive, they make billionaire wish lists look like grocery lists. Strap in as we unveil marvels of engineering that redefine opulence. Number 1. The Rolls-Royce La Rose Noir Droptail, $30 million, a masterpiece of automotive artistry that transcends the boundaries of luxury. As the hardtop lifts, the world gazes in awe at the transformation, revealing a sanctuary of luxury within. The La Rose Noir Droptail is not just a car, it's a legacy on wheels, adorned with the finest materials and engineered to perfection. From the hand-stitched leather seats to the bespoke audio system, every detail is a testament to Rolls-Royce's commitment to excellence. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, $28 million. Its yacht-inspired silhouette glides across the screen, while the customization options whisper tales of bespoke craftsmanship. Embark on a voyage of opulence with the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. A vision of grandeur, its yacht-inspired silhouette is not merely a design but a homage to the golden age of coach building. The boat tail's rear deck, crafted from the finest wood, echoes the craftsmanship of a J-class yacht, while its unique butterfly opening reveals a treasure trove of custom amenities. This automobile is not just built, but meticulously sculpted, offering a level of personalization that whispers tales of its owner's desires and lifestyle. It is a testament to Rolls-Royce's dedication to creating the ultimate expression of luxury motoring. Number 3. Bugatti Lane Voiture Noir, $13.4 million. Dark as night, yet shining like a star, the Bugatti La Voiture Noir's carbon fiber body is a testament to innovation. The roar of its W16 engine echoes the symphony of power that lies beneath its sleek exterior. The advanced aerodynamics and the unparalleled performance that sets it apart from anything else on the road. The La Voiture Noire is more than a car, it's a piece of art, a collector's item that represents the zenith of Bugatti's storied history. Each curve and contour is a homage to Bugatti's rich legacy, while the hyper-sophisticated technology propels us into tomorrow. The La Voiture Noire doesn't just move, it dances gracefully on the tarmac, a ballet of horsepower and engineering finesse. It's a chariot for the modern-day pharaoh, a testament to what humankind can achieve when imagination meets precision. This is not just a drive, it's a journey through the annals of luxury, speed, and innovation. Number 4. Bugatti Chiron Profili, $10.8 million. Speed and grace define the Bugatti Chiron Profili. Witness its acceleration on the track, a blur of beauty and performance, leaving nothing but awe in its wake. Behold the Bugatti Chiron Profili, where speed and grace converge in perfect harmony. A symphony of aerodynamics and power, the Chiron Profili is a unique masterpiece, a less radical interpretation of the Pur Sport, yet no less extraordinary. Its sleek lines and refined design elements, like the distinctive ducktail rear wing, are a nod to Bugatti's relentless pursuit of perfection superscript 1. On the track, it's a blur of beauty and performance, its W16 engine delivering a heart-pounding 1,500 PS. Number 5. Bugatti Centodieci, $9 million. From the legacy of the EB110 emerges the Bugatti Centodieci. Its limited edition badge is not just a mark, but a promise of exclusivity. From the storied legacy of the EB110, the Bugatti Centodieci emerges as a beacon of exclusivity. With only 10 units in existence, each Centodieci is a rare jewel, a modern interpretation of Bugatti's rich history. Its design pays homage to the classic EB110, while its 8.0L quad-turbocharged W16 engine propels it into the future with unmatched power and elegance superscript 1. The Centodieci is not just a car, it's a promise of unparalleled performance, a testament to Bugatti's 110 years of automotive excellence. Number 6. Pagani Huayra Codalunga, $7.4 million. The Pagani Huayra Codalunga's longtail design is a vision of aerodynamic perfection. As it slices through the air, it redefines the essence of speed. The Pagani Huayra Codalunga is not just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering and design that pays homage to the golden era of prototype racing. Its longtail design isn't merely for show, it's a carefully crafted extension that enhances the vehicle's aerodynamic profile, allowing it to cut through the air with the precision of a surgeon's scalpel. Number 7. Pagani Imola, $6 million racetrack. the Pagani Imola is an unstoppable force. Its V12 engine is the heart of a warrior, relentless and fierce. On the racetrack, the Pagani Imola is poetry in motion, an unstoppable force of nature. Named after the iconic Imola circuit, this hypercar is a testament to Pagani's racing DNA. With a limited production of only 5 examples, the Imola is as exclusive as it is powerful. Its Mercedes-AMG V12 engine delivers 827 horsepower, ensuring that each turn on the track is executed with precision and passion. Superscript 2. The Imola is not just a car, it's a statement of relentless pursuit and fierce determination. Number 8. Bugatti Divo, 5.8 million, agility meets luxury in the Bugatti Divo. Each turn is a display of dynamic handling, each detail a stroke of genius. Agility meets luxury in the Bugatti Divo, a vehicle that redefines the limits of dynamic handling. Named after the legendary racing driver Albert Divo, this hypercar is designed to conquer the curves of the Targa Florio. With a fixed rear wing and optimized aerodynamics, the Divo is 8 seconds quicker around the Nardo test track than its sibling, the Chiron. Each detail is a stroke of genius, from the Naka ducts to the strategically placed vents, all contributing to its formidable presence on the road. Number 9. Pininfarina B95 Speedster, $4.8 million. Experience freedom with the Pininfarina B95 Speedster. Its speedster design is a tribute to the open road, a celebration of the journey. Pininfarina B95 Speedster, extended, ***, experience the epitome of freedom with the Pininfarina B95 Speedster, a coach-built masterpiece that marries classic race car spirit with futuristic design. As the world's first hyper-barchetta, the B95 is powered by a pure electric 120 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery, delivering a staggering 1900 PS peak power. Its design is a breathtaking fusion of tradition and innovation, offering a driving experience akin to piloting a vintage fighter plane. With only 10 bespoke examples crafted, the B95 is a rare gem that promises to turn every journey into an adventure. As our journey concludes, we reflect on the marvels of automotive wonders. Stay tuned for more jaw-dropping showcases. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your dream car in the comments below. Your passion drives us to bring the extraordinary into the spotlight.